Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Are you tired of spending countless hours crafting captivating presentations? Do you wish there was a magic tool that could effortlessly transform your ideas into stunning presentations? Well, your wish has come true. Today, through this video, we will introduce you to the game-changer free AI tool in the world of presentations that will revolutionize how you create presentations. We will also show you a hands-on demo where we will create a real-time presentation using this tool. So stay tuned. Say hello to the future of presentation creation and an intuitive AI solution called Tome AI, using GPT-3 and AI-generated graphics. Generative storytelling in Tome AI helps you to create presentations in just a few seconds. All you have to do is just insert the desired topic or concept on which you want to create a presentation. Tome AI will do the rest. Sounds fascinating, right? Well, let me show you a hands-on demo where we will create a presentation within seconds. Over here, we'll have to go to the search engine and just search for the Tome.app. There you'll have to sign up for this tool. Remember, it's totally free tool. You don't really have to pay them for using this tool. To save you time, I have already done this process, so you can pause the video and sign in to your Tome account. Then you'll see this Create button towards the top right corner. Just click on it, and it will take you to this input bar where you will see options such as Create a Presentation About, Document to Presentation, Create Page About, and many more. If you have written content ready, then you can choose this option of Document to Presentation, but for now, let me show you how to create presentation with just title in mind. So for now, we'll choose this option of Create a Presentation About, and we will give the topic. Let's ask this AI to create a presentation on what is machine learning. And within just a few seconds, you'll have this nice-looking presentation with attractive images and design names. You can create 500 presentations with a free Tome account and present using the Present button over here. We hope this tool helps you in your upcoming presentations. That's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.